Alright, I have a new oil and water. This is my variation of a Lance Pierce. The first part of it is my variation of a Lance Pierce oil and water from his book Elements. And then what I'm going to do is explain it. Okay, so first I'll perform it. This is the oil and water. I show the black cards. Okay, 4 black cards and 4 red cards. Black cards are representative of oil and red is of water, as in the Red Sea. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to take these and just going to mix them up. Everybody knows that oil and water does not mix. I'm going to mix them up. So I have the blacks here, the reds here. So I'll take a red, a black, red, black, red, black, a red, and a black. Couldn't get any more fair than that. Okay, I just let the cards settle, and then as you can see, magically the oil and the water separates. Okay, couldn't get any more clean or any more fair than that. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I'll do that again magically. Okay, I'm going to mix them up, the blacks and the reds. Okay, black and red, every other card like this. My job as a magician is to try and unmix them magically. So as you can see, they have in fact unmixed. That's right. Right there, unmixed. And over here we have the reds. Okay. Now, I'll do that again for the people in the cheap seats. In the back, I couldn't see that one very well. So we'll mix them up. And as you can see, that's very, very fair. Okay. Now, you can see the cards are mixed. I'm going to show you one more time. Every other card is red and black. Okay. And my job as a magician is to try and unmix them. Okay. So this is what I'll do. Okay. Watch. I snap and they're unmixed. That's it. It's that fast. It's that clean. Look. There's 1 black, 2 black, 3 black, and 4 black. Okay, there's the 4 blacks, and there's the 4 reds. Now I'm going to explain what I'm doing here. This is half mine and half a variation of Lance Pierce from the book Elements, like I said. So this is your setup. Okay, you're going to use 5 black cards. Okay, 8 of clubs. You're going to use the soft spots, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then you're going to use 2 red 3s and 2 red 4s. Okay, place the 4s in between the 3s. Okay, so it goes 8 of clubs, then like that. Then it goes 8, and then the rest of these. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so that's your start off. So you're actually using a 5th black card. So here's what you do. You start off. You're going to very cleanly display. Okay, the 4. Then you're going to set those down like this. You spread them. Then you're going to spread over 1, 2, 3, and the last one you keep it as a double. You're going to do the squiggly flourish. This very cleanly shows. Okay. Then you're going to show them. Okay, as you flip over double. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you've essentially done is you've moved the black card, so it's second from the bottom. Okay. Now, as you scoop this up, you're going to in-jog this 3 diamonds down, straight down a little bit. That's so that your right ring finger can get a tiny little break underneath here. Okay. Then you're going to flip it like that. What that does is it brings out these cards. You sit down. Then what you're going to do is you're going to respread. Okay, holding the last doubles, hiding the red card. Okay, you're going to go like this: 1, 2. Okay, red, black, alternating red, black. And you put a double on last. You snap your fingers, immediately, that's what's so strong about this, is immediately you get this position here, okay, the top 4. And then now you turn this over, you get a break, you're going to go single, single, double, and now you're here, okay? Turn over these 2, which is actually 3, and then these singly. You're going to repeat the sequence where as you scoop up, you're going to in-jog this, okay? You're getting a break right underneath this 4 hearts in-jog with your ring finger. And that is so that it looks like you're just scooping these up, okay? And then you're going to square this. What happens is you switched for this, okay, the 3 reds and the black. You switched. You spread these down, but then you do a respread, single, 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 then double, okay? So that's what you actually have, okay? So it's very, very clean. You're going to turn this over. You're going to go red, black, red, black, red, black, red, and the last one's a double. Last card's a double, okay? Which coalesces with a pile. You snap, you repeat the sequence. Very clean, right? Now what you have here is you have to do, when you turn this over, you have to get a break here. You buckle, get a break so that you can go single, single, and then triple. Okay? Now what you do is as you make a squiggly flourish, you're going to move this bottom 4 diamonds out so that you have the black one on the top, so the double is moved to there. Now for the last sequence, what you do is you go like this, you interlace them, okay? You interlace them very cleanly, and you actually have that double of that extra black card there, right? And this is what you're going to do. You're going to very cleanly display this, okay? Interlaced. Now what you're going to do is you're going to count over 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? You're going to take a double, you take a double, and then you take single, single, the rest is singles, the top one's a double. You're going to switch these 2 middle cards right here. With your thumb and your fingers, you're going to switch as you come down. So you've switched those 2 cards, this card and this card, right? Now all you have to do is do a spread over 4, get a break. You just show 1, 2, you show a double lift, and then here. Then you're going to slide off this double with your thumb, okay, which is here. You steal it off onto this pile. And then you turn this over very cleanly and you back spread. Okay, setting that down 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. So please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you.